Hi, I'm Shelley, and I work as a software engineer for a startup company in North Carolina. When I arrive at work in the morning, I spend some time catching up on my messages and checking my calendar for the day. Before heading to my daily stand-up meeting, I quickly check the status of my code merge request from yesterday. Great! It's got positive feedback from others in the team and some suggestions from my mentor about improvements I could make. I'll work on those later. During our daily stand-up meeting, each member of the team talks about what they achieved yesterday and what they're working on today. Jonathan, my mentor, gives me some more advice about how I can optimize the code I wrote yesterday. After the meeting, I return to my desk excited to implement the feedback I've received and continue working on my code. Now, it's focus time, when I can concentrate purely on my project work. I use Jonathan's comments on the merge request alongside the notes that I made during our stand-up to re-engineer a couple of methods to run faster. I also use some of our analysis software to compare timings with the previous version, and, when I'm satisfied that there's a marked improvement, I submit a new merge request to gather additional feedback. I then send Jonathan a message to ask if he can review it later today. After lunch, I'm invited to a meeting where the marketing department explains that they need a new feature to monitor the effectiveness of their campaigns. One of the senior software engineers, Marie, mentions that she's previously developed a React-based front end for a management dashboard that we could easily reuse. I'm tasked with creating a minimum viable product, MVP, for a small team in the marketing department to trial and provide feedback on. I've not used React before, but this is a great chance to get some hands-on experience with it while still making a contribution to the team. Learning on the job and developing new skills is an important part of a software engineer's role. On my return from the meeting, I find that Jonathan has reviewed my code and approved the merge request. He's impressed with the speed of the code and with my coding style. It's really helpful to get regular feedback from more experienced members of the team who can suggest alternative ways of solving problems. I've also received a bug report notification for one of the features I was working on last week. When I review the full report, I quickly spot the mistake and begin fixing it. To check that the fix and the original functionality work as expected, I develop and run a test case for the feature. It passes, so I submit a merge request for my fix and resolve the bug. Now I'm free to start researching React. I spend the rest of the afternoon reviewing the React documentation, watching videos, and reading blogs to give me an overview of React. I then contact Marie to ask for access to the front end she developed so I can review the existing solution. This gives me design ideas and inspires me to start planning my dashboard. On my cycle home, my head is buzzing with thoughts about how the new dashboard will look and the functionality I could provide through it. Tomorrow can't come quickly enough.